Now, I want to take a few minutes to talk about the Energizer Switch that I use in my day, and this is super, super important. Remember, there's only 3 areas that you can manage to achieve the results you want, and they are your thinking, how you feel, and the actions that you take. If you work on all of those, you can keep focused. So during the day, as I've mentioned before, it's easy to get distracted. And the other important thing that we need to remember, we are energy beings, and it isn't possible to work all day on 6 cylinders and just to keep pumping out work, because our brain uses an awful lot of energy. It needs lots of water throughout the day if you're working. You need to fuel yourself with good food, and you also need to make sure that you have a good night's sleep. All of those components will help you keep your energy high. So during the day, what I suggest is this, and this is on the daily productivity planner. I have an area that's called an Energizer Switch. And by making the decision in advance how you will keep your energy high, you'll have a much better chance of being able to remember to take breaks, to re-switch and change your energy. So think of a time when you've been working on a really long, tedious project and it's in the afternoon. You probably have that energy slump, and there's a lot of people have that 3 or 4 o'clock slump when they need to get chocolate. You see, you've got tired, you've probably got decision fatigue because you've been doing so many things throughout the day. You might have got distracted, wasted your energy on interesting but not important things. So by making a decision in the morning as to what will you do to renew your energy, to switch your energy between tasks, that is the key. So there's 3 things you can do, as I've said. You can decide that you're going to do something between tasks. So you might write down that what I will do is every hour I will stand up, I will breathe for 2 minutes, and I will have a drink of water. So you're actually deciding that you will do something specifically. And that small step, that switch, allows you to change your energy because you've moved your body and you've done something. The other way you can do it is you can decide, well, I'm going to think something. So what that might mean is you might decide, okay, once an hour, I am going to stop and stand up and I'm going to do a stress-reducing mantra, such as I breathe in calm, I breathe out to calm. So you're changing your thoughts to allow your body to recalibrate, to let go of the stress and to be calm. And the other way is you can choose to feel. So one thing that might work for you, I have a client that loves to connect with their picture on their wall of what's important to them, and that's their family. So they love to connect with a picture, and it just takes them to another place. And if we think we're in another place, then our imagination has no idea that it's not real. It will start to produce different chemicals that matches that particular picture and that place we were in and how we were feeling. So you can decide to change the way that you feel. The other way, it also works together with the thinking on the breathing in calm and breathing out calm, because you may decide that you want to feel relaxed. And if you simply stop and take some slow, long, deep breaths, you will start to feel relaxed. For someone else, they may want to pop some music on and literally dance around the house or take a few minutes to move their body, because then they will feel more energetic. So by identifying in advance what you will do, you can have 1, 2, or 3 things and you write them down. You're helping yourself keep focused on reminding yourself to change your energy, to interrupt yourself and have a quick break between tasks so that you can refocus, recalibrate, get your energy back and be more productive and effective. So please make sure that you use your Energizer Switch on your daily productivity planner.